Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another tutorial, and this time it's holographic displays. And basically this plugin lets you create holograms like the ones behind me. I've made a video a bit like this before, which was how to create holograms in vanilla Minecraft only using command blocks. So if you're all into that, if you want to create a server without plugins and all vanilla, then go check that one out. It's in the description, and nothing more to say. Let's jump right into it. So the first command you want to do is holo. You can do holo, you can do hologram, you can do whatever. But this basically tells you what version of holographic displays that you're running, and also tells you that you can do /holo help. So let's do that, /holo help. And this basically shows you all the commands within the plugin, which is very useful if you forgot what I told you. And most of this is very self-explanatory, but if you hover your mouse over it, it also explains what each command does. So that's very nice. Anyway, let's try to make one. So in order to create a hologram, you need to be standing where you want your hologram to be. So let's just let's put one here. Then you do /holo create, then the name of your hologram, which I'm gonna name hello, and then what the hologram is actually gonna say. And you can use color codes in this as well. So I'm gonna use some color codes in this one. You can Google it, like Minecraft color codes, and you will find all the color codes, but I know most of them in my head because I'm such a big brain. Yeah. So let's just do hello world. Actually, let's make it bold as well. So this one will now say hello world. Now you can do a command that's called holo edit hello, which basically shows you all the commands that you can use in order to edit a hologram. But yeah, you can also do holo add line to add a line, and then of course the hologram's name, and then whatever you want the next line to say. So we can whack in another hello. And now after you've done that, it will actually come up with a message where it shows you some things that you can do, which makes it very easy. So you can click on these if you want to add a line, for example, hello to. You can also remove a line, then you click on the remove, or you type /holo remove line hello, and then the number of the line that you want to remove. So let's say we want to remove that hello 2 right there. Then we type 3 in because that's the third line. Then we click enter and it removes it. Very, very nice stuff. You can set a line, which basically lets you edit an already existing line. So let's edit line number 2, which just says hello at the moment. And we'll make it say hey instead. Another useful command is that you can do holo list, which basically lists all the holograms that you have on your server and shows you the coordinates of where they are. You can also do holo move here, and then it moves the hologram to where you are standing. That's a very useful one too. Now that is pretty much it. I mean, there's it's pretty straightforward, this plugin, but I want to show you one more thing that you can do, and that is if you look at this one over here, it has a little animation to it, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. But in order to do that, we'll go into the config of the plugin. So I am using Minehut to run my service. And this is how you do on Minehut. It might be a little different with other hosts, but it's kind of the same. You just gotta find the plugin folder, which in my case is in file manager, and then if you scroll down, it has plugins here. So you gotta find that one. Then you gotta click on it, and you gotta find the one that says holographic displays, and then we'll open that one as well. And then we have all our files here for the holographic displays. For example, we have the config.yml, which basically lets you edit a whole bunch of things within the plugin. You can take a look at that yourself. We also have the database, which basically has all the data of the locations of all the holograms that you have. But we're not going to talk about any of these. We're going to talk about the animations one. See, I have already created one, but let's just create a new one so you guys can see how it works. So basically what you want to do is you want to create a new file, and then you want to name it whatever the animation should be named. We just do a nice hello and dot text. That's very important. And then when you've done that, you can click on it, and it's just an empty file, of course, because we just created it. But the first thing you want to type in is speed, and that is how fast the animation is gonna run. I like 0.5. That's a good one for me. That's the one that the already existing one that I have made is running at. And then you basically just type in what you want the animation to be. So if you want it to say hello, hello. Actually, let's do a thing where it spells it out. So we can do H and HE and HEL and so on. And then we can let it run with the whole one for a few frames, and then we can go back to it going like that. And that's a pretty good animation, I reckon. You can also do color codes in here and everything. That's fine, but that's our animation for now. Then you just click save, and then we go back into our game. And the first thing you want to do when you have made an animation is you want to do /holo reload. So now the animation should work. So let's try this. Let's just edit one of the lines in our hello world. So we go /holo set line. Then the hologram's name, and then let's do the second line, and then you want to type a bracket like this, and then you want to type animation colon, and then your animation's name, which was hello, I believe, dot text, and another bracket. And that was absolutely wrong, and I think that is because we forgot to make the H big. Yes. So yeah, you can see it. It does the animation. We can make it faster, we can make it slower, we can make it do whatever we want it to do. Let's just go back in here and let's just try to make it like really fast. The higher the value, the slower it gets. So if you change it to 2, it's going to be slow. If we change it to 0.1, then it's going to be faster. So let's try a bit faster. Then you go back in, you go holo reload. And look how fast it is now. Damn, it's running fast. But yeah, that's pretty much it, actually. There's probably some more stuff you can do with this that I haven't covered, but I mean, everything is pretty straightforward. Try to figure it out yourself. It won't be that hard. But of course, if you need help, you can join my Discord channel, link in the description, and ask for help there. And anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.